Davin is on top of the tree right now.
Kanina pa yan naghahanap.
Ayan. Ay.
Buti walang langgam dito.
Walang naman yan.
That's very young.
Yun, tama yun.
Ay. Enough!
Benas, lumibad ka nga sa kabila. At ihagis mo sa loob. Ay, that's enough.
That's enough.
You're on a video right now.
Sira. Pinaiikot pang sadya niya, sarili niya.
Where's the pulo?
Loko-loko talaga yan.
Okay lang.
At least, you have tried. At least you have tried.
At least. Sira.
Anything for a coconut. Hold that video.
Pugasan ito.
No, you guys respect me?
Believe ka na, Irene.
Matagal na pa akong bilib dyan.
Hey, only those who had faith that I could do it can drink.
Gusto niya uminom eh.
Me?
Oh.
You didn't believe in me, so you can't drink? You and Irene?
Who said that I don't have faith?
Because you guys tried to talk me out of it?
No, I just said that.
Yes. Whatever.
Oh, yumuko ka na naman, Kuya One.
But don't bend.
Kuya One, yumuko ka na naman. Yumuko ka na naman ganyan.
Don't bend.
Sandali. O, sige. Akin naman eh.
Ay, hawak pa ng kamay eh.
Papansin to eh.
Papansin.
Wala, sige. Alis mo. Sige.
Ay, bukas.
Pero salamat.
Hey, where's the coconut?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa!
Wala laman.
No, try to shake it and see which one has it.
Saan naman si Beno? Nandiyan na, no?
You're still rolling, right?
Uh-huh. How come this one, the action is first and then the sound comes second?
I don't know.
Easy.
Meron kang Irene, yung sa Jamaica.
Seryoso mong marunong magbuta.
Woo! Wagwan.
This is in your face. Finally. Being a coconut.
Is it good?
Very
Okay.
sweet.
Okay.
Siguro sa akin, okay, ang tubig ng niyog.
Oo. He is asking.
Hold it.
Stop.